This video is for the 8th grade school committee project assignment 2, Citations. First, you'll start off at drive.google.com and open up the presentation that you started last class. Next, what you're going to do is open up a new tab, and you're going to search for the website that you used for your information. And then what you're going to do is click on the website when it appears. Then you're going to click up at the top in order to highlight the URL and hit Control-C on your keyboard. Next, you're going to open up a new tab and you're going to go to easybib.com. And then what you're going to do is underneath where it says website and cite a website, you're going to click and hit Control-V on your keyboard to paste the URL and then click on Cite It. Then you're going to scroll down and click on Continue to the final step. And you're going to need to fill in as much information as you possibly can. And anything that's not filled in already is going to be highlighted in orange. So for example, the article title, we can just click back over to it, and title is obviously going to be at the top, so we can just highlight it, copy it, and go back over to Weebly and paste it under where it says article title. Author, if you have a particular author, for example, by Laura Lewis Brown, we're just going to go ahead and put her name in here. And then once you have the author's name or the company's name, if it's just a company, you're going to put it where it says last/corp, because you might not always have an exact person. Anyway, you're going to scroll down and make sure that the check mark is over here that says display URL is set to yes. You're going to then put in the date that it was published. Now, you'll usually find the date at the bottom, so I'm just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this article. And in this case, we see copyright 2016. So you might not have an exact date, but if you have at least a year, you'll put that in where it says year. So 2016. And then scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll click on Create Citation. Next, what you're going to do is copy the citation that Easybib generates for you. And it's just taking a little while. There we go. Okay. So anyway, you'll probably have to scroll down a little bit, and you'll see the citation under where it says, hooray, here's your new citation. So you're just going to go ahead, highlight it, Control-C on your keyboard to copy it. Then you're going to click over to your work, and you're going to click on the last slide that you have, and then click on the plus sign in order to add a new slide. And you're going to title it Works Cited. Then you'll two-finger click under where it says click to add text and choose paste without formatting. Next, you're going to click before the greater than sign and hit the space bar on your keyboard. That's going to turn your citation into a link. Next, we're going to get our database citation. So we're going to click on to slide 2, and you should have your database bookmark. And we're just going to go ahead and click on it, and then click on the blue link that appears underneath it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to the bottom of your database article, and you're going to see where it says source citation, and you're going to highlight that information under source citation and then hit Control-C on your keyboard. Then you'll go back over to your presentation, click on that last works cited slide, and then what you're going to do is just go on to another line and then two-finger click and do the same thing, paste without formatting, and then you'll see that the citation is there. Now, in order to create a link to your citation, or to your actual article. You're going to click back over to the database bookmark slide and highlight that bookmark and then do Control-C. Click back over to the Works Cited slide, and then you're going to highlight the citation that you just pasted, and then you're going to click on the link button, which looks like a little chain, and then you'll use Control-V in order to paste it. Click on Apply. And then the last thing is just make sure that your citations are in alphabetical order. So these are already in alphabetical order. And that's it.